weather's warm, chill, listen to the quiet storm. When love takes over, transform, and let's do something out the norm. It's so divine, how our bodies intertwine. Guess what? You're always on my mind. I'll be there. I'll reach out my hand to you. I'll have faith in all you do. Where there is love, I'll be there. Don't you know, baby, yeah, I'll be there. I'll be there. Just call my name and I'll be there. His name is Change, y'all.
Awesome. It was awesome.
What's your favorite radio station?
KJLH.
What's going on with you? Well, it's all good. It's all good. I'm the acting mayor until Tuesday, getting ready for the Michael Jackson funeral. We're here at the Los Angeles Coliseum. I'm here with Mr. Parks and Pete Carroll and his foundation to celebrate the 4th of July. It's a wonderful turnout, very beautiful, very peaceful.
Isn't it wonderful how our community can get together, all cultures, everything, all peace, yeah?
Beautiful thing, and all joined together. Me, Bernard, Pete Carroll, and KJLH. KJLH is an incredible radio station. They're always doing outreach.
So let me just ask you now, the Staples Center is in your district, right?
Yes.
Now, since the death of Michael Jackson and the funeral on Tuesday, what's that been like for you?
The best advice I have to people who love Michael Jackson is if you didn't get a ticket, stay home. Because there's going to be a perimeter or a zone around Staples and you won't be able to get in. It'll extend from Pico to Blaine on the west side, 1 block west of the 110 freeway, north to Olympic, all the way over to Flower. So if you don't have a ticket, you won't be able to get inside of that area and you won't be able to see anything.
Wow, okay, so let me ask you this. What does Michael Jackson mean to you? I know that you love music.
I remember when I came out here, it was a year after I graduated from high school, and I was in college already. I was thinking of transferring, and I came out here with the Ohio State Alumni Association, and we went to the Rose Bowl parade, and the Jackson 5 were in the parade, and I thought, oh my God, this place is incredible. So that's what I've never forgotten that day. I mean, that was amazing.
So what's in your iPod player right now?
I have a BlackBerry, sorry.
No music?
No, you carry around too many things, it gets to be overwhelming. If I want to hear my music, I play my CDs.
Okay, what's on your CD player?